Hello, hello, hello. My name's George. I own and operate Coatings by the Bay, based in Appleton, Wisconsin. And today I'm going to talk about how to clean a ceramic coating or how to maintain a ceramic coating because you want to get the most out of it, right? Well, the good news is it's incredibly easy. Your standard wash, all you really need is a foam cannon. That way you can get some soap on the car in a suds form. Go ahead and grab that wash mitt. High quality microfiber suggested. Give it a quick wipe, go around the whole vehicle, rinse it off, dry it. That's it. That's the goal of it. And every client of mine leaves with a Dreadnought XL. That's designed to make drying really easy. Whole entire vehicle, single pass, no streaks, as long as you take care of the towel well. So no, you don't need to break out 17 buckets, 42 chemicals, follow this 87-step checklist. That is how you can get it back to 90% with no effort. Yes, if you're chasing the bugs or something, you parked under some pine trees and got a little sap on the roof, those ailments will add a little bit of time. But if you're just driving 15 miles to work, 15 miles back every day, that's how you could expect to clean it. And maybe once a month, twice a month. I'm not one of those detailers that pushes that you got to take perfect care and you got to wash it every single day. And that's not reality. None of us have that time. That's half the reason you got a coating put on, was to make the work easier because you don't have the time to take care of it the right way. With ceramic coating, taking care of it the right way gets a lot easier. I will also say, I am not a purist, and some detailers are going to crucify me for this. You are fine to go through automatic touch-free washes. Yes, they use recycled water. Yes, sometimes on a super microscopic scale, a little bit of sand or something gets through and, oh my God, you're sandblasting the car. That's not the reality. Yes, they use high pH soaps because they're not touching the vehicle, so they have to use a harsher soap to get it clean faster. Guess what? You're not soaking the car in high pH soap. It's going on for a few seconds and getting rinsed off. You're going to be perfectly fine. My vehicle's 4 years old now. It's had a coating on it since day one. I've done nothing in the way of topping it. I regularly, and I say regularly as in 2-3 times in winter per week, maybe once to twice a month in the summer, go through touch-free washes. My vehicle still looks great, still feels like day one. So don't be afraid to go through touch-free. All you have to do is avoid the brush-based washes, or if you go to a wash bay, don't take that brush off the wall. Bring a bucket, pay some time on the meter so it's running and the guy that owns the wash is making his money. But hit it with a microfiber. Again, they're really easy to clean. They're really easy to maintain. That was the biggest purpose for buying it, probably, was to just keep it shiny and easy to clean. So tomorrow we'll have another brand new piece of content as we aim for 100 in 100 of me getting frequently asked questions, all on video, set there in a bite-sized form for you. I hope you will stick along for the journey and have a good one.